What's good, guys? And today we're doing South Florida, and today we're gonna have an update in South Florida. So I think that like last days ago, we have a recent update in South Florida, and they also have a Lamborghinis, and they also and they'll cost a fortune when it tells you if you go to dealership. I'm gonna spawn here in the Tripty Catalytic GT35. I mean, what do you call this? Yeah, GT5. I mean, wait, what? GT35. Yeah, GT35. I mean, I want to better word it wrong way. Last time I said it in first. I mean, like first time I said it. But yeah, might want to go dealership, and I'm gonna show you guys the new cars and update that South Florida have recently added. And I mean, it's hard to check out maps when I'm like every time I record my mobile. I mean, yeah, if you guys are in the video or not in the video, if y'all new to this channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on post notification before the new video starts to come out, and with some new videos and new updates. I'm gonna go here first. If I go ahead and, cause I don't know how you like do a code or something. Yeah, I'm gonna check out dealership if y'all want to see my the brand new cars and some catalogically stuff and some dealership. You want to see what you wonder. So yeah, if you guys new in Southwest Florida update or haven't seen a new Southwest Florida update, links will be all down in the description. There gonna be no Southwest Florida Discord, Southwest Florida, the Painswear, wherever the links. Yeah, I'm gonna go look for something from phone and dealership. Okay, this thing is so catty. Yo, this thing, bro, like this thing is so catty. Bro, just like, you know what I mean? It's like, bro, it's like weird. You're looking at right now. I'm gonna check some cars they add some new, and then I'm gonna check some new range, like the new stuff like that. Oh my gosh, I haven't played South Florida for like months now for reason. I played South Florida like for 2 months, so that maybe like I think it was like in October, November. I stopped playing over in October or November. I don't remember. I don't remember playing South Florida. I stopped playing South Florida like for weeks now, or like maybe months that I stopped playing it. Okay, I'm gonna sell cars in a minute. But like, if I sell these cars, bro, that will like, yeah, I'm gonna buy this. This will cost of 4,000. I mean, 400,000. I'm gonna go here and what's a brand? Yo, I'm gonna buy this. Oh, damn. Yeah. If you guys have much money in South, if you guys have like much, like books in South Florida, like before you buy cars, but these would cost like a lot, like it's like 400,000, 200,000. There are a lot of cost of money if you buy them, like if you go and buy cars and stuff. But if you don't have enough money when you're new at South Florida, like I don't know, cause you have to get a lot of money to get in and spend a whole case of it if you buy cars and stuff. I'm gonna look if I checked out this. I'm gonna sell this Phenom. There we go. Buy Phenom. Haha. Yeah, I sell ya. Alright. It's pretty cool, man. Damn. I'm gonna check Subaru. Dang, that's like the thing, Subaru. Yo, I'm gonna have to get on those, bro. Dude, so how fast were they? Oh my god, how fast were they? I'm gonna check how many miles in this car. Dang, so fast. Dude, I love how they added a cool Christmas update in South Florida. Like, it's the first time here that I haven't, like, bro, I don't not used to play South Florida like most of my days. I'm turning this volume down, it's so loud. You can't even know what's going on. Yeah, that means it's like if you turn it off, you can't, like, Like, you can't hear where the cars like go first and first. Okay, I'm gonna see what mile. Okay, alright. Oh, 190. Oh, dang, 195? Oh, wait, 196? Wait, bro, that used to be like the 196 mile per hour. That used to be this car, definitely. Alright, I'm gonna just like try this again. Alright, I'm gonna get this steady. 3, 2, 1. I want to see how mild it is. I want to see how fast it is. Dang. This turbo equipment is lit, bro. Wait, would it be 96? What? Bro, why not? Bro, 197? 198? Damn. I don't see how fast it will be. Oh my god, almost, yo, 200? Wait, would it be 200? Okay, that's not close to it. Okay, that almost over 200 miles per hour. Like, you know how fast speed, like the top speed of horsepower, it almost like topped it down, like on like way top to 200 miles, like 200 miles per hour. Like, you know what I mean? 200 miles per hour. It's almost like the one same top. It's almost a 200 mile, I swear to God. It's passionate, you know. If y'all know the top speed on this vehicle, let me know down below in the comments. I'm sure you'll hear some. Because this is what y'all don't think anymore. This is why y'all are gonna hear the influence of this car. Y'all wanna hear this? Y'all wanna hear some influence gadget? Yeah. Dang, super. What cars some of okay, super, and what do they only have in this vehicles? Okay, SUVs. Alright, hypers. Dang, hypers, okay. They look professional for sure. Wow, it's just slow custom. Wow, pretty nice, so nice. So fair, nice and tough. I mean, blah. Yeah, so nice and fair and tough. And over what before we do? All right, we got this blue Lieutenant here, Corsa. Yeah, Corsa Lieutenant ST. Yeah, Corsa Lieutenant ST. I mean, I'll call it Corsa ST. It's like a Titanic little box. Wait, I wanna know how Venus fast. Wait, wait, how many miles? Wait. Dang, wait, how many, wait. Alright. I wanna see how, like, I wanna see how imagine that the vehicle, how, like, quick, fast speed. I wanna know the top speed, I wanna know how the top speed is. Like, let me know if this thing is the top speed or not. Like, let me know if this thing is the top speed. Because I wonder how fast this blue ST. You know, the ST looks fascinating, you know? Like, it's fascinated. Like, it's smashing pretty. Oh, this one. Wait, is this. Wait, is this dude gonna race? Is bro gonna race? I think he wants to race me. What? Is this dude gonna race? What is he doing? Oh, I thought he. Wait, oh. I thought this boy was trying to race me, okay? I mean, I thought he was gonna race. Alright, bet. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. I want to see how fast he quick this car. Come on. Make it rolling, make it rolling, make it rolling. I don't see how fast it rolls. I want to see how I don't see how passionate it rolls. I want to see how it rolls, bro. I want to see how it rolls, bro. You can still see it rolls, bro. 190, bro. 194? Not close to. Okay. Not a 200? Okay, one. Alright, I mean, 194 is a close one. I mean, not even 200 miles per hour. I mean, I can still get it now, which is the horsepower mode. Oh, so this guy's trying to race me. Hey, you wanna race? Bro, you wanna race? Bro, look at this. Yo, if y'all let me know in the comments down below. Bro, you can see the chat filter. Bro, you can see the chat filter change. Like, look at this chat filter. Bro, the UI chat filter has changed, bro. And why is this saying beta in it? I don't know. Why is this saying beta or beta? He says it's beta to me. I don't know why. Why he did, like, you know what he did before, right? Like, he's trying to race me. Come on, buddy, you're trying to race me. Hey, I gotta, come on, I got a fast speed on my car, bro. I gotta, come on, I gotta admit, dude. I gotta admit. What the? Okay, weird. I thought he trying to race me. And he flew back and said yes. I was gonna say, like, why he, bro? Let's go then. All right, I want to see. I want to test out this thing go forward. This is lightly. I want to see that for now. I want to see that for now. Okay, 195. How is this 195?
Bye, have a great time.
See ya. Huh. Gav, you're slow. You're slow. Huh, BDDD slow. Your car's so slow, huh? Alright, I don't see a map. I don't see a new map. I wanna go to explore a new map. guess I'm pretty sure I got you, but I mean, no Diddy outrage bait, bro. Get a better car. Yeah, dude, get a better car. Come on, get a better car. Let me know if there's still any more maps. I wish they would, but alright, over we gonna do. I'm gonna end here for an update in South Florida. So I'm gonna end here for the update. If y'all let me know did I forget anything or in the comments. It's like a person to be on this thing. So I had those cars for months now, and I haven't like I don't own like real cars. I've always had like waste money, and then I have trucks since the last minute I was home. I mean, they're not really trucks I have, it's because I sell them. And I also have hyper. I have like 2 car hypers that will. I mean, there are only one actually, there were no hypers. I sell one of them. So I'm not using Hattie anymore. So if y'all think in the video here, or if you're trying to say, actually, yeah, they're all, even at dealership, but I mean, there's only like unlimited cars. Yeah, I mean, one's limited, one's new. So yeah, 2 are new. Also, actually, yeah, there are also new cars in limited. One's limited, and also one's new. And yeah, let me know down below, and if y'all want to, if y'all think of just yeah, even though the code says like where it says the code, I don't know if you enter the code or if like you know when some like name code if you have like before you enter it. I don't know that if you enter a code or like if it tells you you know the name. Yeah, I don't know if y'all gonna like also see you for the next video and stay tuned.